Okay, so today I'll show you the review of the bicycle playing cards, green reverse. So at both sides they're green. So this is how the case looks like. Okay, the cards. So of course the advertising cards of bicycle. The jokers, like this. So yeah, it's difficult to see the difference between red and black because actually it's always in white. So you see on red card and on black card it's actually the same. You need to see if it's clubs or something like that, you see. So there's normal cards. Yeah, the queens, the kings, the jacks looks like this. So normal cards actually. It's always white. It's always white on green. The back is a pretty light green. Yeah, pretty light green and in white, drawn in white. So that's no